Hi, here's another EdTech hint for you. You know, sometimes you get those responses in from pupils that are typed and you think, not quite sure you came up with that one, but you haven't got time to trawl the entire internet to try and find out where that answer came from and if it was original. Well, there's loads of websites out there that you can check things, and some of them you even need to pay for. But this one that I found, duplichecker.com, is fantastic because it does it all free for you. So let's say that you got an answer through for a pupil that you just thought was not maybe quite as maybe slightly better than what you'd normally get in the classroom. You've got it electronically. You can paste it in. You can upload a text file. But what I'm doing is I've just pasted an exam answer in that one of the pupils has sent me, and I click on check plagiarism. Now this does take a few moments to do, as you can see here, and depending on the length of the answer obviously depends on how long that takes as well. But what this does, and you'll see this in a second, is it compares the pupil answer to websites that it can scan, and it even shows you the way that if it's taken from a website. So here I can see that I've got 171 words, 2 results found of possible plagiarism, 25% is saying, and 75% unique. Now when I look at this, it's got in pink the phrases which come from these websites, and here I can see very clearly that there's similarities between the BBC Bite Size and this Bridlington School, and I can then compare them. And if I find that that's happening quite a lot, then maybe that indicates that pupils may be using some websites to support their learning slightly more than they should do. So really easy, really straightforward, as you've just seen. Duplichecker.com, one source for you to check any plagiarism.